Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Amol Diada, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department of Microbiology, late Pushpadev Patil Art and Science College, Risod. I heartily welcome everyone. Today, we have jointly organized one-day state-level workshop under Memorandum of Understanding between both the Department of Microbiology, LPP College Risod and Department of Microbiology, RA College Washim. All professors and students, you know very well, last 2 years, all higher education getting education on online mode. But microbiology, such a type of subject which cannot possible to learn without practical knowledge. But due to COVID-19 condition, all education disturbed. In this workshop, we are making since effort to make the basic knowledge about microbiology instrument on your simply Android mobile. I am sure that through this workshop, everyone will get in-depth knowledge about basic microbiology instrument. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. J.B. Devde sir and Dr. R.F. Pagaria sir, principal of both the college, for organized permission of this workshop. I also worthily thanks Head of the Department of Microbiology, Dr. Rachana Pachori ma'am, my guru, Dr. Prithviraj Sadar sir, my colleague, Mr. Jyotipal Khadse sir, for organized help and permission of this workshop. I warmly welcome to all students and register this state level workshop. I would like to announce presence of all my senior professor. This workshop has been inaugurated. Thanks everyone. I request to Mr. Jyotipal Khadse sir to give further instruction regarding this workshop. Thank you everyone.
Good afternoon to all of you and welcome to online one day state level workshop on use of Android technology for microbiology instruments. So in the today's program we are going to discuss about use of Android mobile in education for proper knowledge of microbiological instruments. So how to use this technology to get the detailed knowledge of instrument we are going to discuss now. So this program is organized by Department of Microbiology, Pushpadev Patil College, Risod, Washim, under the memorandum with RA College, Washim. And this program is mostly useful for the students of BSc first year, second year as well as third year student. But the students, due to COVID-19 situation, they are unable to gain the proper knowledge of microbial instruments, and our main motto is to give the proper information about the microbial instruments which is used in microbiology, and the microbiological techniques is mostly useful not only in the pharmaceutical industries, pathological industries, food industries, but also it is essential currently such as research activities and diagnosis purpose. So for this purpose the microbiology instruments for the students must be gain the proper knowledge of the technique as well as instruments which is to be used by the microbiologists. So our main purpose is that any student from anywhere can easily know the knowledge of microbiology instrument. The proper microbiology or most basic microbiology instruments are the microscope, hot air oven, autoclave, incubator, spectroscopy, centrifuge, etc. So these the instruments proper practically as well as theoretically notes as well as video tutorials are given from this workshop. So let's begin. What are the requirements required during the workshop? This is the analyst which you all students must know before starting the workshop. That is, all students must possess the Android mobile. Number second, in that Android mobile you supposed to have a proper internet network as well as you must have internet data in that mobile. Then after, you must have, most of the mobiles does not consist Play Store app. Instead of Play Store app they have different such as Samsung Store, etc, etc. But you must have Play Store, or sometimes Samsung, or in other in Apple they it does not have. So mostly general, whatever the mobile are there, most of the mobiles it has Play Store app. So you can directly download from the Play Store, or you can directly download from the Chrome, or sometimes other Samsung Gallery, etc. But you must have Play Store in your mobile, Android mobile. Then you have to download the QR scanner. It is an app, I will show you. And along with that you also have Adopt or any PDF reader in your mobile. Most of the cases this workshop, the training, you must be failed due to any of the reason. If you don't have the proper internet access, or if you don't have the proper data, or if you don't have the PDF reader, you may get problems in that. So for that you must fulfill the whole requirements which are required for the today's workshop. So let's start the training of each student. For the use of Android technology for microbiological instrument, you must suppose to follow the given step which I am showing on your screen. Number first, that is, first only to I told you that you must possess a data in your mobile. Next, go to Play Store and open the Play Store in your Android app. Then open the Play Store app and search option is there right here. You can see there is a search option in Play Store, and type there QR scanner. I will spell it capital QR scanner, SCANNER. You have to type the QR scanner app in Play Store and search it. After searching it, you will get few softwares which can easily install in your mobile. You can install any of these software in your mobile, and after installing, open the app. When you open the app, most of the app will show such interface in it. That is a corner type a display, and the camera is totally on, and you have to scan such QR code. So when you scan the QR code, given QR code, I will give you PDF. Also I would like to say you that if you don't have the PDF reader in your mobile, you are unable to read the PDF which I am supposed to give you. Next, sir, you have given us a PDF, okay, and again whenever I will give you the QR code, you have to scan the QR code. Now how I will provide you QR code? I will provide you the QR code in the form of image or in the form of PDF form. So whatever it is, and most of these QR code scanner does not have the setting to directly use the image for scanning. So what you can do, you can take two mobile and open the PDF which I am giving you, and by using the second by using your own mobile where the software is installed, you have to scan the code. I will talk in Hindi. स्कैन करने के लिए दो आपको मोबाइल की गरज रहेगी, एक जिसमें सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल है और दूसरा जिसमें वो जो क्यूआर कोड है वो किसी और मोबाइल, क्योंकि अभी जो मैं आपको क्यूआर कोड दूंगा वही क्यूआर कोड आप वही मोबाइल में नहीं खोल पाएंगे। तो उसके लिए आपको करना क्या है, किसी और मोबाइल पे वो फाइल ट्रांसफ़र करने की वो मोबाइल खोलना है और उसकी स्क्रीन पे वो क्यूआर कोड ले करना है और आपके मोबाइल से उस स्क्रीन पे वो आपको क्या करना है, रीड करना है। When you scan such QR code, you will get such interface. That is, when you scan this QR code, you will get such a way. In some browser it will be open, in some browser it will show like this. So you have to open that. After opening, you have to browse with your Chrome, and when you browse it with Chrome, you will get such PDF files. So such PDF file, all the students are able to access such PDF file if they have Adobe Reader in it, and it is a PDF file where the name of institute along with the digital lab information given of the instrument, such as the last QR code which I have shown you, it was a microscope. And here, what is the microscope, how to use the microscope, what are the types of microscope, what are the safety precautions which will be taken to use the microscope, and along with the text, each and every information is provided in that PDF.